Recovering from a hospital stay is never easy. I was discharged from a hospital admission from a sickle cell crisis about 2 weeks ago, and let me tell you, it is not easy. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful pillars that has helped me bounce back after a hospital admission or just from a painful episode. And these are rest, mental support, nutrition, movement, and cleansing from medications and radiation exposure. And this can be from x-rays, bone scans, MRIs, CT scans, the works. So here we go. Number 1 is rest. Sleep is not a luxury. It is your body's repair system. Research shows that deep sleep promotes the release of growth hormone, which is essential for tissue repair and immune strength. So prioritize naps, restorative sleep, and quiet time. Even meditation counts as rest for your nervous system. Number 2 is mental support. Hospital stays can be emotionally draining, and so social and emotional support can significantly improve recovery outcomes. And so you can reach out to a trusted friend, a family member, a therapist, a support group. You can do some journaling. For me, writing my feelings down is truly, truly helpful. And writing poetry really helps me. Journaling your feelings is another powerful tool. The body heals with play, the mind heals with laughter, and the spirit heals with joy. Number 3 is nutrition. You need to fuel your repair with protein foods and clean foods. Protein is vital, especially after a hospital stay, because it does help to repair and rebuild tissues, along with improving the function of your immune defense. According to Harvard Health, patients with higher protein intake recover faster post-surgery and illness. So what do you eat? You can have some lean meat, legumes, beans, fish, eggs, nuts, and seeds. Hydration helps to flush out those medication residues, so keep some water and herbal teas close by. Number 4 is movement. Movement is medicine. Even light stretching or walking can help to increase circulation and prevent stiffness. Some light physical activity can also help to reduce recovery time, and it does help to enhance your mood as well. Just like physical movement is important, your bowel movement is just as important, if not more so, coming out of the hospital. Medications can be very constipating, and painkillers can slow down digestion. And so counteracting this with hydration, physical movement, as we spoke about, and also including fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics to help the bowels to start to move more effectively. Number 5 is cleansing from medications and radiation exposure. Medications often leave behind metabolites that stress out the liver. And so you want to support cleansing by using some cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cauliflower. Also adding some herbal teas to the mix like burdock root or yellow dock root. Also helping to flush out those metabolites with lots and lots of water. Radiation from x-rays or CT scans, etc., can increase oxidative stress. And so antioxidant-rich foods like berries support cellular repair. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. Recovery isn't just about leaving the hospital. It's about rebuilding your body, your mind, and your spirit. Remember to rest deeply, lean on your support system, nourish your cells with whole foods, and move gently but consistently. Make sure that you are mindful of your bowel movements as well, and cleanse your body from medications and radiation exposure. Healing is not a one-size-fits-all, but every little step matters. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone who may benefit from this information or who might need some encouragement. And if you would like a personalized wellness plan, you can check my link down below to my website for some holistic support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.